Now we will see how to send free WhatsApp notification via PhysioPlus Tech. Here we have options to send notifications for appointment reminders, for exercise prescription, to send unpaid invoices, and you can collect online payment. You can send paid bills and case reports so patients can download it as a PDF. And let's go back to the software. And here once you click the schedule management, you'll be able to see the appointment list and cancelled appointments and so on. So in the appointment list you can choose any appointment, and here you can see in the action area there is a WhatsApp icon, and in the consultant name there is a WhatsApp icon. The difference is this WhatsApp icon sends the notification to the patient about the appointment, and this icon sends the notification to the consultant about the same appointment. So now here let me click in this WhatsApp icon so that it will send a message to the patient, and it will open the WhatsApp web in your system. And see here, your physiotherapy appointment at clinic name, date, time has been successfully scheduled has come, and you can just click and the appointment has been sent. And likewise, going back, you can send exercise prescription, click EMR management, go to exercise prescription and click any chart, like say for example plantar fascia exercise. I'm clicking share, and here I'm choosing a patient name, say for example Damik, and I am choosing it is a free prescription, not a paid prescription, and notify to patient via WhatsApp. I'm clicking submit, and again the WhatsApp is opening, and it default takes this Dear Damik Shinde PhysioPlus Clinic, like was the default text, and also it shows the link for the chart. So once you click on this, you can see that the exercise chart has been sent to the patient, and if the patient is clicking on this chart, it will ask for downloading the exercise. He can download the exercise, and now the patient can access the exercise chart. So this is how it works. And likewise, going back to the software, and the next one is sending bills to the patient. So again we have a bill for Damik. I can just click here, and again it takes a default text with a link about the bill. See here, there is a default text and there is a link for the bill. I just have to click submit, and if the patient is clicking on this link, he can access his invoice, and when he accesses invoice, he can also print it as a PDF. He just have to click save, so it will be printed as a PDF, or he can, if the payment is not yet made, he can click make payment and he can make a payment. Like say for example, if I'm clicking make payment, it is going to payment gateway. He just have to click make payment and make a payment. The payment will reach you. So this is how our WhatsApp notification works. Okay, so thank you for listening to us, and if you have any queries, feel free to contact us anytime from PhysioPlus Tech. Thank you.